The City of Hamilton is committed to ensuring we meet the needs of all our Northeast Hamilton community members. Over the past 3 years, we've been working hard for this area through numerous projects and initiatives. Installing hanging baskets and carriage lanterns on Court Street, naming and beautifying Dudley Eve Park, issuing an RFP for a food concession on Dr. E.F. Gordon Square, removing damaging trees from Victoria Street and widening that sidewalk, waiving banner fees for area residents to advertise community events, creation of city spotlight videos promoting Northeast Hamilton businesses, replacing Union Street sidewalk, sponsoring the Court Street Market, and extending the extra duty officer policing program to keep the community safe. Further planned changes include the installation of attractive planters and bench seats along Court Street, as well as various paving and sidewalk upgrades.